When your hands are too full, use your smartwatch to answer calls. Swipe the green phone icon to the right to answer. You can talk and still do your chores. Shh! Don't disrupt your roomie's movie night. Easily transfer the call over to your phone and remember, keep it down. Even if your phone isn't nearby, you don't have to worry about missing that important phone call, so you can take the call and eat dinner. And for those times when you're so popular and everyone wants to talk, you can easily switch over between calls. Just swipe the green phone icon to the right and choose Hold Current Call. The second caller will now be on the line. Swap back to the first caller by tapping More Options and then select Swap.